How to speed up or slow down TikTok videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down your TikTok video. It's super quick and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Now, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the gallery icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And once you are here, simply select the video that you want to edit and tap on next. And now once you have imported the video, simply tap on the edit option shown in the top right side of the screen. And once you tap on that, a bunch of toolbars will appear at the bottom of the screen. From there, simply tap on edit. And now after that, simply look for the speed option and tap on it. Now from here, you can easily choose to speed up or slow down your video. You just have to slide and select your preferred speed. And that's it. Super simple, right? Now you can preview it before posting to make sure it looks just how you want. And that's it. That's how you can speed up or slow down TikTok videos. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.